Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
You know that water is good for you, but did you know that drinking water on an empty stomach is extremely good for your health? Find out all of the amazing benefits in this video. Drinking water on an empty stomach is deeply rooted in the culture of the majority of Japanese people. While genes do have a major influence, some claim that this habit has helped them stay thin, in shape and healthy. One thing is certain, drinking water while fasting provides a remedy to a wide variety of ailments. So what really happens when you drink water on an empty stomach? Let's take a look. Number 1. It allows you to release toxins from your body. Water naturally stimulates intestinal movement. During the night, your body goes through a process of repair and disposes of all the toxins. Because of this, when you drink it on an empty stomach, you help your body rid itself of harmful toxins so that it can be fresh and healthy. Drinking a considerable quantity can also help you increase the production of muscle cells and new blood cells. Both will help you to be free of toxins. Number 2. It improves your metabolism. Drinking water while fasting can allow your metabolism to increase at least 24%. If you are on a strict diet, a higher rate of metabolism means that your digestive system will work in your favor. You will be able to follow your diet more easily by digesting food more rapidly. Doing this immediately after getting up in the morning will allow you to cleanse your colon. With this habit, you will be making it easy for your body to absorb nutrients much better. Number 3. It helps you to lose weight in a healthy way. When you drink water on an empty stomach, it helps you remove toxins from your body and improves your digestive system. This will make you feel much less hungry and greatly reduce the urge to snack. At the same time, this will help you avoid weight gain caused by eating in excess because of anxiety and other factors. Number 4. It alleviates acid and indigestion. Indigestion tends to be provoked by the acid that you have in your stomach. If you suffer regularly from acid indigestion, drinking water on an empty stomach will greatly improve the problem. When ingesting water on an empty stomach, the acid that has come up is pushed down and is dissolved. This helps solve the problem. This also prepares your stomach for eating the breakfast. Number 5. It improves the look and health of your complexion. Dehydration is one of the principal causes of the appearance of wrinkles and large pores in the skin. For this reason, drinking water will help your body stay protected. 2 glasses of water on an empty stomach increases blood flow under your skin and makes it more radiant. On the other hand, doing this throughout the day ensures that your body is also ridding itself of toxins. Number 6. It boosts the health, shine and softens your hairs. Besides affecting your skin, dehydration can have a serious effect on the growth of your hair. Drinking water is very important if you want to have healthy hair on the inside as well as the outside. Water constitutes approximately a quarter of the total weight of a hair root. If you don't drink enough, your hair will become very fine and brittle. This means that you should drink sufficient amounts of water daily. If you do this on an empty stomach, you will be able to improve the health and appearance of your hair in a very short time with very little effort. Number 7. It prevents kidney stones and bladder infections. Drinking water on an empty stomach is very important when it comes to the health of your bladder and kidneys. Doing this causes your body to more easily dilute acid that causes kidney stones. The more water you drink, the more you will protect your body from various types of infections produced by the accumulation of toxins that are produced in the bladder. Number 8. It strengthens your immune system. Water intake cleanses and balances your lymph system. This makes your immune system function much better. A strong immune system will keep you healthy and will help you avoid suffering from a variety of diseases. All of this translates into a decrease in the frequency of becoming ill. How should I drink water on an empty stomach? All you need to do is to drink 3 or 4 glasses of water right when you get up. There is no need to brush your teeth or eat anything. Wait 45 minutes before eating anything. Try to drink the water at least 30 minutes before eating and then don't drink any for 2 hours after eating. Although drinking 4 glasses of water on an empty stomach may not seem simple, it can definitely help your body. To start, begin with the quantity that your body can tolerate. Then increase the amount gradually until you are able to drink 4 glasses. Give it a try. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Goodbye.